You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do my best this year to post once a week. I'm going to give that a shot. We do have a lot going on and new things and homeschool and all that, but I'm going to do my best to take you along with me once a week. So today's video is a fridge reset and restock with some organization, which is super satisfying for me, and some food prep. I do enjoy making this kind of content, and I get a lot of joy out of this and doing these videos. And if you like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up and we'll jump into today's video.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
You can always tell when we are super busy because it's like the fridge gets like this, things get kind of just thrown in there. I'm not even sure where some of the stuff comes from. It gets in the bottom. I'm not even sure how it gets there. So I'm going to get it all cleaned out and get everything that I just got from the grocery store put back in such a fun way. User friendly, not just for me, but for the kids. I'm making a in this video, I'm doing like the meat drawer, so it's like everything I'm using for the week as far as that goes in there. I'm gonna come out with a another video very soon that I've started working on with that big bottom drawer. Typically, we have like drinks and stuff like that in there, but I'm gonna make this bottom drawer, actually this one right here, I'm gonna make it a kid drawer, so it has all their juice boxes, little snacks for them, portioned out, like, you know, apples and grapes, things that are already cut up, so they don't have to like pull the big bin out, that they can just grab and go. I can throw it into a lunch box. Even though we homeschool, I do try to have things on hand that are just kind of grab and go and say, okay, it's snack time, you get this, it's lunchtime, okay, you get whatever and put on your plate from these things. I'm also going to take juices. I have done juicing videos in the past, and I ended up getting the wrong containers. I got like smaller plastic containers. Big mistake on my part. I should have gone with my gut and got the glass. But I'm gonna get they're like little tiny juice, almost shot size jars, to where the kids they're a little more than that, I'm gonna say, yeah. But it'd be like their portion of a juice for the day. But if they're in those little jars, you know, you can just pull them out. I made the mistake, threw all the other ones in the dishwasher, and when I did, I literally had little crumpled up. You know, you remember those shrinky dinks that you could make where you put them in the oven, you bake them up, and they get really teeny tiny? They were like little shrinky dink bottles that were melted all in the dishwasher. And I had them on the top rack, just on like a quick clean setting. Negative. Won't do that again. Learn my lesson. So when I come out with that, I will put that one in there, and I'm excited about that because anything I have healthy wise for the kids to just grab and go, they're going to make that choice every time, as opposed to, you know, moving through or getting a chair. And, you know, if I have it right there and they're like, oh, this is my drawer, I am able to eat whatever I want in here, and it's healthy options, I will take that every time. So I'll have that one out very soon. That'll probably be the next in the next fridge clean out. I'm going to do a big stock up here very soon, so that will be included in that. So stay tuned for that, and a whole lot more organization. Our homeschool, we've been doing homeschool for a little bit now, and it's going very well. We've done some things right, we've done some things wrong, we've changed some things, curriculum wise, schedule wise, but I'm looking forward to sharing some of those things with you on how our homeschool functions and how we get things done, where we have it set up in our home, because if you watch my videos and have, you know that I kind of use each space as much as I can very wisely. So if I have a wall that's got nothing on it, I am not a cluttery, pack ratty kind of person. I can't do it visually, emotionally, and mentally. I cannot do it. I'm more of a open space kind of person with organization. But if I can mindfully use a space that is not being used, where it's not cluttery, and I can get the most out of that space, that's what I'm going to do. So we actually put our homeschool in the back half of our living room, and it's worked out really well. I wasn't sure how I would enjoy it. We started off doing our homeschool at the table. I quickly realized with having 4 ages doing homeschool that everybody at the table for us was not going to work. So we do our normal group time at the table, but they have their independent studies that they do at their desk, and I'm excited to share that with you. So actually the very next video that is in the making will be kind of showing you around our homeschool and how we function as a family and what works for us. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in that.
Tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Hey, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I had to laugh watching this back. That this whole big thing for just a couple strawberries, but I bought a bunch of strawberries and washed them, and in the throes of doing the refrigerator clean out, to get ready to put the stuff back, the kids came in and demolished the strawberries. Like, they were gone. So that restock lasted like, I don't know what, an hour of the strawberries, because if I have strawberries in the house and they're good, they will eat them just a split second in the house.
Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down. And now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down.
You got me going into overdrive. Too busy, can you leave a message by the tone? You got me wrapped around in summertime. Yeah, yeah, I need to know we'll fall in love right here and now. Call me up whenever you're feeling low. Stimulate your mind, we can take it slow. You got me going crazy now. Falling into you, 'cause you're on my mind. Jump, jump on it. Put 'em up, come and show me. I guess we'll never know it. All up on it. Put 'em up. No second thoughts, just let me change your mind. Put 'em up. I guess we'll never know it. Put 'em up. No second thoughts, just let me change your mind. You're taking way too long, it's overtime. No lucky strikes, you're all it takes to be in my zone. So show me something, just a little sign. Yeah, I'm always ready, so just tell me when to go. Call me up whenever you're feeling low. Stimulate your mind, we can take it slow. You got me going crazy now. Falling into you, 'cause you're on my mind. Jump, jump on it. Put 'em up, come and show me. I guess we'll never know it. All up on it. Put 'em up. No second thoughts, just let me change your mind. Put 'em up.
무너지만 I'm ready to go low, go low. 이미 오래된 말 You left me alone, alone, alone. I don't hate you, but the way you just break my heart, break my heart. 날 무너지게 해. And you might be 너는 널 위한 길일까 이젠 아까워. Oh, I never wanted us to be
Well, that's it for today's video. Check back weekly for new videos. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video.